estuary from the surface of the water. Okay, any time you're ready, Nelson?
Alright, you still enjoying this treat right up there? Oh, here we go! And
that was an impressive snatcher. Now, I'm pretty sure it happened pretty fast, so for those of you who missed that, not to worry, we do have the video. There you go. Round of applause for Nelson, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
And because of that hunting ability, that is why the white-bellied sea eagle is one of my favorite birds of prey.
Well, Shawal, there's another bird of prey that I really like, which you can commonly find right here in Singapore. And that would be the brownie kite. So everyone, here comes Sapphire. Watch this. Whoa! Pretty close. Now look at that. She's very agile and maneuverable in flight. Now when you take a look at Sapphire, you will notice that she is a mid-sized raptor. Well, don't let the size fool you, because this bird is capable of stealing or even snatching food away from a bird as large as Nelson, the white-bellied sea eagle. There you go. And when you're walking around the parks in Mandai, you might get to see some wild brownie kites or even white-bellies flying around. This would be a very good way to identify them. On the left is the white-bellied sea eagle, and on the right is the brownie kite.
And it's easy to spot the differences between these two birds. And the size is the obvious difference. But there is also the coloration and the shape of their wings. For example, the white-bellied sea eagle has a V-shaped wing and a wedge-shaped tail.
Now for the brownie kites, they are brownish in color and they have M-shaped wings with a U-shaped tail. Well, looks like Miss Sapphire can't wait to head back home. Alright, relax, relax. We're gonna go back home really soon, okay? There you go. Bye-bye. See you later. She likes to stop there, take a look at the image and then fly back home. Told you so, listen. There you go. Round of applause for Sapphire, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Each year, 2 million raptors migrate during the winter from their breeding ground to Europe and Asia to Africa. It is a perilous journey and thousands never make it to their destination.
Ladies and gentlemen, each year, thousands of these birds are being killed for sport. So we will need your help to save and protect them, or skies will soon be empty.
The birds of prey are vital to the health of our planet. They remove all sick animals and get rid of pests. The one bird in particular helps us with pest control. That bird is the owl, and the rodents they hunt never hear them coming, because owls are masters of silent flying. So allow me to introduce you to our lovely owls on stage. Right over there with Big Mom, we have Latte, the Malay fish owl, and over here with Flo is Soren, the barn owl.
Sure, you mentioned something about silent flight, right?
That's right, Chandra.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, the reason why owls are capable of silent flight is because, unlike other birds of prey, owls have this extremely soft edge at the tip of their feathers. So the sound frequency created by the wing flaps will be absorbed by those feathers. And not only that, these birds have got excellent eyesight as well. In fact, they do have binocular vision.
And excellent eyesight indeed, Chandra, and there is more to it. Well, the colors of your eyes tell us when they tend to hunt. Owls with yellow colored eyes tend to hunt during the day. The orange eyes means they like to hunt at sunrise and sunset. The owls with black colored eyes tend to hunt during the night. And with that, let's have one last look at our lovely owls before they head back in. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up once again for Latte and Soren, long training.
Well, thank you so much to our trainers and ours as well.